One of the key things about energy efficiency is that we go beyond looking at individual components to looking at whole systems. And these systems, first of all, involve different dimensions of engineering, so that you'll have an electrical engineer, a structural engineer, a mechanical engineer. All of those people will have roles in the way this system works. Once we take a systems approach to our thinking, we discover that the energy efficiency measures can achieve a lot of outcomes that are worth far more than the actual energy they save. So, for example, we can reduce our capital investment in energy consuming plant. We can optimise performance to improve product quality or other outcomes which will be very valuable.
Traditionally, hydraulic, mechanical, electrical and civil engineers have worked in silos. But to do energy efficiency properly, we need to work together to optimise across all those systems the opportunities for energy cost savings for industry in Australia. Energy is at the core of all human activity, whether it be the personal lives of each of us or in the working and industrial lives of the economies of the world. If we get energy right, then a whole lot of other things can be solved as well. That's why engineers are central to solving the global challenge of reducing carbon emissions, avoiding climate change and making industries more efficient around the world.
My name's Paul Brady. I'm the Engineering Manager of Northern Operations for Carbonata Breweries at Yatala Brewery. We use the systems engineering approach to go through the technical detail to ensure that every team member and every part of the life cycle of the entire project is looked after from start to finish. In other words, we include the operational people, we include the information systems, we include the operators and how they operate the plant, we include the documentation system, we include the training systems. So it's a whole package. So when the complete program is finished, you've identified the opportunity, you've analysed the best thing to do, you've changed it, you've engineered it, and then you actually change the operation of the plant to suit the new operation, then you document it, and then you report it. Now, the systems engineering approach has given us great advantages. What it does, it gives you that systematic approach to finding things. It uses tools and techniques that allow you to uncover a bit deeper in the analysis of the data, and it also allows you to focus on particular areas where problems haven't been resolved in the past because you didn't take the systems engineering approach. Over the last 20 years since we've been involved in energy management, if we look at the money that we would have saved over that period, it started off with about $1.5 to $2 million a year, and we're now sitting at about $10 million a year savings. Energy management is good business. It is very good business.
The demand for energy efficient products and processes is not going to decrease. Consumers, industries and policymakers are all pushing for changes that will allow us to make better use of our resources and create healthier environments for future generations.
The American energy efficiency guru Amory Lovins has often said people need a cold beer, not a barrel of oil or a kilowatt hour of electricity. We need a non-violent revolution to overthrow bad engineering. So we need systems thinking. We need to understand processes. We need to learn to communicate effectively with a wide range of different people, and then we have a chance.
People need to get involved and get energised and get involved in it and use their skills. I mean, there's fantastic opportunities for young kids coming out of uni these days. Absolutely, in engineering in particular, there's some fantastic opportunities. And old people like I are retiring, so won't be around.